This video is the first of a series reviewing the 5 phases you need to follow in order to find, register, and complete an internship for academic credit. You can find links to all of our experiential learning programs at oswego.edu/excel. The Excel staff can help you through the process so you are ready to start your internship or other experiential learning opportunities on the first day of the semester. Excel offers virtual drop-in hours, and our professional staff offer individual appointments. You can find more information about us and our contact information on the Contact Excel page. Phase 1 is all about planning ahead. It is important to start this process early in the semester before you want to complete your internship. The 5 phases are outlined on our internship and co-op page. Meeting with your academic advisor and reviewing the difference between an internship and a co-op, the eligibility standards, and timelines will help you focus your plan, even before you start looking for a position. Although there are differences between an internship and a co-op, both experiences have a combination of hours at the site, faculty oversight, and academic assignments. This is what distinguishes an internship and co-op from other experiences, like part-time jobs or volunteer positions. Although some internships are unpaid, a student can be paid and earn credits. It is sometimes thought that students are not allowed to do both. We prefer students to do paid internships whenever possible. Unpaid internships need to meet certain standards to ensure that the positions meet New York State fair labor laws and that our students are getting quality experiences with strong mentorship components. A co-op must be a full-time paid experience. Students do not earn credit, but are still considered a full-time enrolled student since they are registered for a co-op course. Academic assignments for a co-op and internship are very similar. A co-op can span 12 to 26 weeks and has a prerequisite of GST 101, Professional Skills Preparation course. Students can earn up to 12 internship credits per semester and up to 15 credits overall towards their graduation requirements. For each credit a student is looking to earn, they will need to complete 40 hours at the site and a number of academic assignments. For example, a 3-credit internship requires 120 hours over the semester, which breaks down to about 8 to 10 hours per week. In the fall and spring semesters, internship credits are factored into regular tuition. However, winter and summer internships require students to pay per credit. Information about the cost of summer and winter internship courses can be found on the Student Accounts website. Other than a few specific major courses, internships and co-ops are graded as honors, satisfactory, or unsatisfactory, and do not get factored into a student's GPA, but they do count towards full-time status. You and your advisor should also discuss the eligibility criteria. Some departments have their own set of requirements that your major advisor can help you review. They are also outlined in the catalog. In general, students need to have a 2.5 GPA and be a junior, senior, or graduate student. International students also have to work with their international education advisor and fill out additional paperwork. At the bottom of the Phase 1 section, you will see more buttons linking you to important information you should be aware of. First, you should review the standards and facts, as there are restrictions, requirements, and policies regarding sites and positions that you should know before starting your search. A few important things to note. Internships all meet upper division elective credit, but some departments have internship courses that can meet major electives or have required internships. These courses will count towards your 54 maximum credits in your discipline. A list of the specific courses that can be taken can be found on our Standards and Facts list, and details can be found in the catalog. All of these internships are processed through Excel. Also on this page is a basic breakdown of the number of hours you will need to work each week in a fall or spring semester to meet the requirements of 40 hours per credit. As I mentioned earlier, to complete a 3-credit internship, you will need to complete 120 hours for the semester. This breaks down to about 8 to 10 hours per week. Winter and summer internships need to be adjusted for the shorter time frame. Many of your questions about the standards and guidelines for internships and co-ops can be answered on the standard and facts page. Please make sure you read through it carefully before discussing any potential internships with the site. The second button in Phase 1 section outlines the timeline and deadlines for internships. Phases 1 through 4 need to be completed, and several people need to review and approve your internship and learning agreement before you can be registered for your internship credits. This process may take a few weeks to complete, so make sure you review the timeline and deadlines so you don't delay the start of your internship. The last button in Phase 1 is new to our site. The button links to our Funding Opportunities page. We are thankful for our generous alumni who have designated their donations to help SUNY Oswego students pursue internships and professional development experiences. Check out the different funds and pay close attention to the application processes and deadlines, all of which are outlined on this page. Now that you have all the basics and details about the requirements for doing an internship, it is time to move on to Phase 2 and begin to search for your internship or co-op position. You can find the Phase 2 video on our website. Please feel free to reach out to the Excel staff if you have any questions. You can find our information on the Contact Excel page of our website.